Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer your account, your StumbleGuys account, from mobile to PC, and it'll work for both Android and iOS. And I'm also going to show you how to transfer your account from one phone to another phone. So if you got a new phone, I'm also going to show you how to do that. So first I'm going to show you how to transfer your account from your mobile phone to your PC. We have to start on the phone, so I am on my phone right now and this is my StumbleGuys account. And so in order to transfer it, I'm first going to have to click on the settings icon in the top right here. Then I gotta scroll up until I find the Facebook option right here. And then if it says not connected, like it is for me, then you'll have to click right here on the login button. So let me do that. And then it loads up Facebook. Okay, so now it just loaded up this screen right here. And now if you aren't logged into your Facebook account, you're gonna have to log in. Or if you don't have an account yet, you'll have to click right here on create account and create your account that way. So let me just put in my email address and my password and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. I've entered my email and my password and now I'm going to click on login. Okay, not sure what this is about, but if that comes up, you're just going to have to click on continue if you want to use the account that it shows right there. So let's just click that. Okay, and then it'll ask you to choose your account that you want to use. So I'm just going to use this one right here. And then it asks me to put in my password again, so let me do that. Alright, there we go, and then I'll have to click on login again. So now I'm logged in, and I think I will have to go back again by clicking on the X in the top left corner right here. And then it loads back up like so. Or if it doesn't do that, you'll have to click on the login button again inside of StumbleGuys. Okay, and if all of this looks good to you, you can just click on continue. So let me do that. Alright, that didn't work it seems, so let me try that again. Alright, there we go, this is looking better, it launches back up. Alright, so it looks like StumbleGuys has loaded back up, and now let's click on the top right corner again, and we're still not logged in, so let's try that again. Yeah, okay, so now this should be green right here, so check that it is indeed saying connected right there, and so that's good. And now we'll have to go onto our PC. Alright, so I've just hopped onto my PC and I'm gonna open up my preferred web browser. In my case that's Google Chrome. So let's open that and let's type in here BlueStacks like so and hit enter, and then it should be the first result, bluestacks.com. So click on that. And then you can try these versions, but for some reason they didn't work for me at all. So I'm going to use, click on more versions, and I'm going to use BlueStacks 4, which is the older version, but that works fine as well. And that's the one that works for me. So I'm going to click on download right here, just select the right version that you need for your PC. So then I'm going to click down here to install it. So there we go, and then we'll have to click on yes right here. And then we're just gonna have to click on install now. And now we wait. Okay, so it looks like the installation is complete and now it's starting up BlueStacks. So in order to install apps on BlueStacks, you will actually have to sign into your Google Play account. So you can just click on sign in here. And then you get redirected to the Play Store and click on sign in here again, and you're gonna have to sign in with your Google account, so let me do that real quick. Alright, so now I've just signed into my Google Play account, and now I'm just gonna search up the game, which is StumbleGuys of course, like so, and hit enter. And right here let's click on that, and now we can click on install over here and wait for it to install. Alright, so here we go, now it's done installing, and I'm gonna click on open right here. Alright, so you can just close that for now, and I'm gonna go full screen on here. So now in order to sign back into your account, what you're gonna do is click on in the top right on the settings icon, And well, let's scroll up to where we have the Facebook account, and it says not connected now, and so we're gonna have to click on login again on here as well, and then we're gonna have to log into the same account that we used on our phone. And so let me do that real quick. Alright, so here we are, just logged in, and we're gonna have to click on continue again, and then we get thrown back into the game. Alright, so if you have a black screen just like me, it's probably best to just close StumbleGuys, and you can also close the Play Store, and come on, click on My Games over here and just click on StumbleGuys in order to reopen it. And here we are back here again, so let's try clicking on continue again. Alright, so let's head over to the settings again, and it's still not connected, so we're gonna have to do the same steps again, and hopefully it'll work this time. So after clicking on continue, this should redirect you back to StumbleGuys. For some reason it doesn't do that for me, so this didn't work. So if you're having the same issue, so what I would recommend you do is use this Google Play option right here. So we're gonna have to go back to our phone. Alright, so now I'm back on my phone right here, and I'm going to click in the top right corner again on the settings icon. And then right here, the Google Play option, I'm gonna click on login right here. Alright, so now it's done that, and make sure that you're using the same Google account on here that you're using to sign in on BlueStacks. So yeah, you can actually check that in the Google Games app, Google Play Games. And so now we can jump back onto the PC to continue over there. Alright, so now we're back on the PC and inside of BlueStacks with StumbleGuys installed. So let's open up StumbleGuys. Okay, here we are, and so pretty much the same thing here in the top right corner on the settings icon, and then under Google Play, click on login. And as I said, you need to make sure that, well, first of all, Google Play Games is installed, so we're gonna have to install that, although it seems to be installed already, but let's update it. Okay, here we go. Let's close Google Play again, and that also closed StumbleGuys, so let's reopen that. Alright, so let's try clicking on login again, and there we go, it worked. Okay, and now you can see right here it asks you if you would like to switch to the account that you had on your phone, and so you'll have to say yes right here if that's what you want to do. And okay, so now if I go back, as you can see, the account has been imported. This is the account that I had on my phone, and now I can just play with that account and we should be good to go. We can play on PC. And actually, if you want to change the controls, you can do that over here on this tab right here, and then you can click View Edit Game Controls, and you can also use a controller by using this button right here, but I'm using the keyboard, so yeah, it's just your normal controls, so WASD to move, and the spacebar to jump. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and comment down below if it worked. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!